Hi, I'm Mike Roth with the Roth Team at Shorewest Realtors. Thanks for watching our real estate video blog today. Today we're going to talk about a question that comes up with most homes that are sold. A home inspection happens. And the question I get most often from sellers is, what should I do if the buyer or the buyer's inspector finds a defect in my home? Should I fix it? Should I give them a credit? Can I sell it as is? Well, the answer to the question lies between you and the buyer. Essentially, when they have a home inspection, that professional home inspector has to cite what they see. And if they do find a defect, it has to be disclosed on their report. Once it's disclosed on the inspection report, if it truly is a defect, it has to be disclosed to not only that buyer, but any other buyer you'd sell your home to. So in most instances, as a seller, you're probably going to have to fix that defect, because most buyers aren't going to assume that problem unless you tell them up front and they have the ability to fix it before they close. Or if they're a cash buyer, they might be able to do it after closing. But most lenders are going to require them to fix that defect before they actually close. The other option, besides you fixing it, would be perhaps offering a credit to the buyer, and then they could do the work after closing. Again, assuming their lender will accept them taking that credit. But more often than not, you'll have to fix the defect. Whether it's a plumbing defect, electrical, roof leak, basement problem. Now, the other question comes in, or problem comes in, is many sellers don't have the money to fix the defect before closing. So we have contractors that we can work out where the repair would be done and then the money would be taken out of your closing proceeds. So that would also be an option. So again, if you have a question on inspections and defects that come up on inspections, feel free to give us a call here at the Roth Team at any time and we can answer those questions for you. Hopefully that information was helpful for you. Thanks and have a great day.